Okay, good morning everyone. Okay, so today I will do a simple Boolean exercise or demo because I saw in the class comment most of you do not understand what does the video and the PowerPoint means, and some of you even cannot do, and half of the class did not submit the homework. So what I will do today is I will show you one or two examples about what is Boolean, and I hope after watching this video you can get uh, to know or understand what is Boolean about. And besides I will extend the Boolean exercise to this Friday. What you need to do is only the lesson C, which is the description about your project, and you only need and the code of the project. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so first at all we need to create one Boolean exercise, which is from Microbit. Okay, so you need to create new project and name it as Boolean. Okay, in this tutorial I will use only and or for the Boolean. Okay, Boolean, it will always give you true or false only, which is here. If you still remember what is condition about, using the if, the else statement. Okay, so on start you need to do some statement about whether this is true or false. Okay, what does it mean here is not this one but this one. Okay, you need to memorize these three tables. For and Boolean, when A and B both are true, you get true result. But if A and B, any of it get false, you get false result. Okay, let's say I have a pen and you have a pen, so both of us have the pen, true. I have a pen and you do not have a pen, so if I say both of us has a pen, then it will become false. I have a pen, you don't have a pen, one of us have the pen, or we use or, then you get true. But if both false, you get false. So for and, only 1 true, 3 false. Only A and B true, you get true. A and B false, one of the A or B you get false, then you get false. And or, any A or B you get true, then you have the true value. The rest you will have false. And for not, if you give it true value, it will return false, and if you have false value, it returns true. Okay, very complicated, right? So let's do some exercise. Okay, let's say today I'm going to show you let's apply the scoring system, the scoreboard for badminton. A match consists of at least 3 games of 21 points. So I delete this one because I'm not going to use this. Every time there is a serve, there is a point score. Okay, so if I press A, then A get 1 point. If I press B, B get 1 point. The side winning already add a point to its score. Okay, so let's see. So we do the first one. Okay, every time it's served, there is a point score. So for badminton, you have player A and player B. So player A and player B. Okay, so I have player B and player B, so I will set A to 0 and set B to 0. Okay, so at 20 or no, the side winning already add a point to its score. So when A press, when A I score, so I just press 1 to let A got 1 score. And when B press, okay, then B got 1 score. Okay, until here, which is we did first and second. Okay, A press, A get 1 mark. B press, B get 1 score. So if you want, you can just like last time what we did. We put A and then we show the number of A, and then we put a B, and we show a number of B. Okay, so I duplicate A and duplicate B. Okay, so click A1 B0, A2 B0, A2 B1, A2 B2, A2 B3. So you have the scoreboard. Okay, let's say this is a little bit messy, quite long my code, so I want to make it shorter. So I use a function. I put show score, done, and then I drag this inside and I delete this, and I delete the forever as well. And then under function I drag the call show score. Under function B I also call show score here. Okay, so it becomes shorter and easier to read. So when A press, I add 1 and then I show score. When B press, I B press plus 1 and then show score. So when I press A plus 1, and then A1 B1. Okay, so it works. Okay, now the third one, at 20 or the side which gain a 2-point lead first win the game, which means how to win the game. Only you need if A want to win, A must more than 20 and A minus B equal to 2. Am I right? A more than 20, A minus B equal to, because it at least 20 and then gain 2 points more than the opposite. So I put A more than 20, A minus B equal to 2. More or equal. so I use AND logic when A win. Okay, same if I want B win, then B must equal more than 20 and B minus A must more than 2. Okay, so I can put A win. The rest is not. Okay, so can you see the AND condition? A must more than 20 and A must more than B by at least 2. So only it can win. So we need to use AND. You must fulfill these two conditions. Or B, if B want to win, B must more than 20 and B minus A must more than 2 or equal to 2, then only B can win. So let's say we put it into the code here. Okay, I create a new function and then I say check win. Okay, so we need to check how to win the game. So what is the winning condition again? It says that A must have at least, so you need two conditions, but here we only can put in one condition. Therefore, this is the way when we need to use the Boolean, which means you put an AND inside the if else. So the first condition is inside this AND Boolean. The first condition is A must equal or more than 20 and A must more than 20 or A minus B more than 2 and so logic again, and then I put max A minus okay, am I right? Yeah. 2 points late first. Okay, so A must equal more than 20 and add A minus B more than 2. So I can then only I can say A win. Else same thing, so I duplicate B more than 20, B minus A more than 2, so then B win. Okay, so this is the condition. Where is my condition again? Yeah, here. A more than 20, A minus b more than 2, A win. A less than 20, nothing happened. The rest, nothing happened. And then B win, B must more than 20, B minus A must more than 2. Okay, player B must more than 20, player B minus player A must. So you use the AND Boolean. This is what we call Boolean. Apply more than one condition inside one if statement. Okay, then here, so function check win. Okay, I think we don't put it here. We put it under forever. Okay, function check win. So it will check forever. If A win, then it show A win. If B win, it show B win. Okay, so this is how we use the AND Boolean. And for at 29 or the side scoring the 30 points win the game. Okay, this is another condition. If A and B equal to 29, so who get the 31st win the game. So we have the third condition, which is if A win or if B win using OR. If A more than 30, more than 30, and then A less than 30, and then less than 30. Okay, so what happened? Okay, if A and B both more than 30, which is impossible, so I just put an X because it won't happen. But if A more than 30 and B, so I put A win. And then if A less than 30 but B more than 30, I say B win. Else, do nothing. Okay, so I use the word or here because either A or B, one of it get more than 30, then it either A win or B win. If B more than 30, B win. A more than 30, A win. And I will put error. And then if A or B less than 30, still in the match. Okay, so let's put this into our code. Okay, so if logic, use OR. If var logic comparison, if player A equal 30 or player, then we can say someone win. Okay, if A equal to 30 or B equal to 30, someone win. Okay, so this is how we use the word or. Okay, any question, please jot down in the forum. I will reply on the next day. Okay, so this is how my scoreboard look like. Okay, the first one, on start A and B equal to 0. When A press A plus 1, on B press B plus 1. So I show A and show B. So A number, B number. Show the score. And then the system will check the score forever by check who win. If A more than 20 and A more than leading B by 2, A win. If B more than 20 and B lead A by 2, B win. If A and B either one get 30, I will show someone win. Easy, right? So this is called Boolean, which is more than one condition. Then if you say, okay, can I use a Boolean inside a Boolean? Yes, which is acceptable. You can use a Boolean if you have many conditions and you want to put them in. You can use Boolean inside a Boolean, inside a Boolean, inside a Boolean, as many as you want, as many as you wish. Okay, but currently we do not need so far. So this is it. Okay, let's try the board. Okay. A1 B0 until I don't know how many times I press. So it's A6, A7, A8, A9, A10, A11, B0, A12, B0, A13, B0, 14, 15, 16, still not at the first condition must at least 20, and then 18, 19. Okay, so the first condition here, A must more than 20, A minus B must more than 2, so 20, the game still A win. Okay, something wrong with my code. Let's see. Oh, not should be more than, not equal. Am I right? At 20, the side gaining. Yeah. So this is it. Okay, let's try the 30. So at first, okay, this is too long, so I put 1919. We start from 1919. Okay, so A 20, B 19. So I have, okay, B also 20, and then B 21, A 20, A 22, okay, 20 or 22, 21, okay, still no one win yet. 22, B 22, 22, 23, 22, 3, 23, 23, 4, 23, 24, all. Okay, so we go 25, no, 29, 29, faster the reaction. Okay, so now I have A 30, so A, someone win. Okay, so you get someone win. A 30, someone win. So this is the Boolean, which means you apply more than one condition using AND or OR. Okay, so your homework is you need to create one program using Boolean, at least one Boolean in the lesson C. You can refer back to the example of the lesson C, okay, which is Boolean here, projects. Okay, assignment for students, come out a program that use Boolean variable, Boolean operation. Okay, so let's say sunscreen monitor, when you can see and, so you have the Boolean operator, and they are using the and Boolean operator. So this one and as well, and then this one is also using and. So many and, so you can use either and or in at least one of the condition, means you have Boolean, and then in your okay, in the assignment, let's say next submission lesson C only. Okay, let's see what is let's see. Okay, so lesson C. Lesson C. Use any Boolean. Okay. What you can use like acceleration, light level, rotation, button press, compass, heading, temperature. Let's say if temperature more than 20 and the light is on, then something. If or the temperature is 30 or light is on, what happens? Or if temperature is more than 20 and on shade, what happens? If temperature is 30 or is on shade or the button is pressed, what happens? So you can use the project ideas like the sunscreen monitor, how it works, board games, and you need to create your own project. Okay, any project does not mean must be game or anything, as long as you are using Boolean. Okay, so in your Word file you must have the project title, project description. For example, this is my project description. Project title, scoring for badminton. Okay, let's say this is my work, so I will put a new name, no need name. So scoring system for badminton, This is the score. Project description will be my score, how it works. And then so pseudocode, do we need pseudocode? Yes, pseudocode. My pseudocode will be okay. My pseudocode will be this is my pseudocode. Okay. Okay, so if A win or B win, so and then next, screenshot of your code. So you just go back to your code here and then make sure everything is readable. Okay, then you open, you use the print screen button beside the scroll button in your keyboard, or you can use, if you are using Windows, you can use the snipping tool. Okay, click new and then you drag the code like this and then you click copy and code, you paste it here, just Ctrl V, or you click paste here. Okay, so this is the code, this is my pseudocode, this is my project description, or this is pseudocode as well. So I put this as pseudocode, project description. This project is going to create a scoring board for a badminton match. Okay, ta-da! So that's all. Okay, so remember, do your work and submit on this Friday. Okay, thank you very much. So